Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Pepe price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I will be glad to answer it. So it has been a long time for Pepe that we did not make an analysis for it. However, this is a very old analysis and I was very surprised that it was working perfectly with our past, which it was predicted very long time ago. I mean, yeah, I think it was already somewhere here where we were expecting these levels to be hit with the time given as well in the blue box, where we have hit it exactly, and we already draw the path of it, of course, for a wave C towards the downside after having a B, and a C. And this ABC correction comes, of course, after a massive waves towards the upside in impulsive waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave A possibly, or a wave 1 very possibly. However, we are now looking for a wave A probably so far, and then of course after this, if we get higher prices, then we might seek, of course, for even higher in an impulse. However, after of course hitting here a wave, a wave 2 or wave B, of course we are looking for a retracement towards the upside, possibly that we are still looking for a wave C, of course, after hitting those fib levels. So your correction did not finish yet, possibly, and that we are still looking for higher prices, and possibly here you are looking to an A B, and a C, and then A B, and a C. So this is your wave C towards the upside for now, and then we possibly even go with an impulsive wave towards the downside. So if we look, of course, also on our daily channels here, we can see clearly that we have here token. If that was an impulse, you would like to see that your wave 3 has moved outside this channel and ranging, of course, outside it for a wave 4 and a 5. However, this did not even happen. We did not broke even the midline here of it, and we saw a retracement from it, of course, and then even a break for the midline of this channel, and then of course ranging lower. And therefore, by here we know that this is a much more possible A, B, and a C, of course, rather than an impulse, because you would like to see a breakout, of course, outside this channel. Now, of course, now if we go a little bit deeper inside and zoom in, of course, inside this zone of your wave C here, we can see, of course, that we might look at a downtrend after finishing this wave towards the upside. Actually, yes, this is true, but it should be moved a little bit to the side, where we want still to finish, of course, here our impulse, where we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then move and continuation towards the downside. We might hit, of course, even higher than this channel, the correction. It should be, because it's your wave 5 here. However, it's gonna also play as a resistance, so be careful from it. And we might even see a truncation, or even that might transform to A, B, and a C. And in that way, of course, you are in WXY, of course, towards the downside. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. In your 4-hour chart, we see a little bit closer here inside the channels, but before we move to the channel, let's see a little bit what's happening, of course, in this area. In this area, of course, is this correction where you are looking for an A, B, and a C towards the downside. We are, of course, after looking to the 3 waves, we are possibly looking, of course, for as well 3 waves towards the upside. Now, your 3 waves towards the upside might be, of course, has been already unfolding here as an A, and then a B, and possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, of course, in this case scenario, if you want to get your channels here, our channel would be taken, of course, from the wave 1 here to the base point of your impulse, and of course the base point of your wave 2. And we can see clearly here that your wave 3 has perfectly moved out of this channel impulsively. We're claiming, of course, that this is a wave 3, and however, it has retraced very deeply. However, it did not invalidate this impulse because we did not hit the zone 1. If the price has touched the zone of the wave 1, then of course this impulse would be invalidated and we will consider it as a B and a C. However, your wave 5, after hitting here a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, you are looking for a wave 5 and a much more potential that your wave 5 here is an ending diagonal where you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. However, this might be as well truncated and we might not reach the high possibly, because of course you cannot have even a wave longer than your wave 3. And by all means, now if your wave 5 reached the 1 fib level taken from this wave 3, then this might be an invalidation of your impulse. So the scenario here is until the 1 fib level. Once you reach this fib level, then you might have to reconsider, of course, this accounting as not a diagonal. Of course, it might be an impulse with a double 1, 2. Reaching higher than this price, it makes this wave higher than your wave 3. By all means, of course, you are in an impulse and you are looking for higher prices to finish this wave towards the upside. However, it is a very low possibility, knowing that the price here, the fib level, is very close to your wave 3. Looking at this a very extended wave 3, it is very normal to have a very shallow wave 5. This is as per Elliott Wave theory. When your wave 3 is very extended, your wave 5 might have the same also or less than your wave 1 price and time. So that's it for Pepe. And of course, for your bearish scenario, you want, of course, to finish this impulse and finish your wave 5 and then move towards the downside, as we mentioned in the daily, of course, for your wave C as A, B, C here, and then A, B, and a C, and looking for 5 waves towards the downside as a bigger flat here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.